If you are in the market for a screwdriver that is easy to use, has a ton of bits for those kind of small little things, you know, eyeglasses, electronics, all that kind of stuff, kind of easy to navigate with a pencil, you're going to love this. This is the Hoto 24-in-1 screwdriver. It is magnetic, so it is really nice. So I am going to show you how to use this. So basically all your bits are in here. So one of the best features that I really like about this is this spins. So most other ones are static and you gotta have to look around. And so it just spins really easy. It's nice. When it pops in here, it doesn't like fall out like some other ones would. So I'm going to show you how this works on this. I need to get this off. So I took out the bit, right, which is right here. Super easy to take out. So you're just gonna pop it in here. And you see it doesn't fall out. Some of these magnetic ones tend to fall out. This one doesn't. And then you just put it back in here. And what I really like about this is I could literally do this with one hand. It's super easy. If this was a normal screwdriver, I'd most likely have to put this down and use both of my hands. And it is just really, really nice. You see that bit stays in there. It doesn't come out like some other ones. So if you are looking for a great screwdriver, I really, really like this a lot.